Good girl. Away from Mama, because we're going to make sure there's no cars. Okay. No cars. But, yeah. Oops. Go ahead. Yeah, go around. Perfect. Oops. There you go. Oops. That was a stop. You gotta push it around, sweet. Keep going. Okay, let's go back towards Olivia now. Yeah. Good job. Let's go. Around. Okay. This means go around. Go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead. Let's go back towards Olivia. Pedal. It's okay. Gotta practice, practice, practice. Yeah, push it, push it, push it. Yeah. Oh. Good God. Push it. Yeah. Keep going. Forward. Yeah. That's back. Forward. Yeah.